Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix standby mode not working properly on iPhone in iOS 17 update. So guys, as you all know, iPhone has recently added the new feature with iOS 17 update of standby mode. The standby mode is very popular nowadays and it's a very great feature and everyone want to use it. But some iPhone users are complaining that they cannot use standby mode on their iPhone. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to check if your iPhone is supported to standby mode. Standby mode is only available on those devices which devices support iOS 17. So you have to make sure you have iOS 17 device to use standby mode. After this, then you have to make sure standby mode is enabled. For doing this, simply you have to tap on your settings, scroll down and then tap on standby. You can see here standby mode. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After enabling it, then you have to make sure low power mode is off. Low power mode disable standby mode. To turn off low power mode, you have to go to your settings and go to battery, then tap on, you can see your option low power mode. If it's unable, then simply disable it. After disabling it, low power mode, and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to use an MFI certified charger. MFI certified charger are guaranteed to work with your iPhone. Using a non-MFI charger could interfere with standby mode. After using an MFI certified charger and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do what is restart your iPhone. A restart can sometimes fix minor software glitches that may be preventing standby mode from activating. For restarting your iPhone, you have to simply go to your general and scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try last solution. Reset your iPhone settings. This will restore your iPhone to its factory default, but it will not erase any of your personal data. To reset your iPhone settings, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.